Hi, here's Alexander. If you already watch my shorts, then you should know that I love Blender. But if you are new at this channel, then I am going to welcome you. So today I am going to teach you how to download this software named Blender. First thing, we need a laptop or PC to download and use it. Then the next step is to open Google Chrome. Here we can type Blender. Now click on the first website. This is original Blender website. Here we have to click on download button. And magic is that the downloading is started. This is Blender's donation page. You can donate them because we love Blender, by the way. It's on your option. Now I show you the other method. Now we open Microsoft Store and here we search for Blender. And now we're seeing all Blenders of different versions. You have to download the latest one. But now I am downloading the old version. Wait for its completion. And now it's completed. Now push the open button. And this is Blender's splash screen. There is a little bit options, like about the color and dark and black sense and the use of spacebar. But I prefer you to leave it at default and click next. Here we go. Now there are options, but we have to click on Gurnal option. This is our viewport screen. Now see on upper left corner, click on splash screen. Now 2D animation. Here you can draw and make two-dimensional animations. And this is tutorial of the day. And now the videos is ended. Hope you stay tuned with us for next tutorial of Blender Kit add-on. So subscribe and like and share. Thanks you so much. Bye-bye.
Yay!